5 JavaScript one-liners you should know. These 5 JavaScript one-liners will instantly make your code cleaner and shorter.
1. Swap to variables. Benefits are: 1. No temp variable. 2. Code is clean and readable. 2. Remove duplicate values from array. Set stores only unique values. Passing the array into set removes duplicate. Spread operator converts it back to an array. Benefits are: 1. It is fast. 2. Its built-in JavaScript feature. 3. Convert string to number. Use only when you're sure it's a number. Benefit is that it is faster than parseInt. 4. Check if a value exists in an array. Benefit is that it is cleaner than index of. 5. Short-circuit default value. It's a simple fallback logic.
Which one of the one-liner did you already know? Comment below. Follow for more.